Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OneDrive uploads to Azure Data Lake. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to your Azure Data Lake resource. Ensure you have a storage account created within the data lake. Open the storage account and select the Access Control or IAM section. Click on that Add button to create a new role assignment. Choose the appropriate role that allows OneDrive uploads, such as Storage Blob Data Contributor. Select the user or group that requires access. Assign the role and save your changes. Next, navigate to your OneDrive account. In OneDrive, locate the files you want to upload. Select the files and click on the Share option. Generate a shareable link with appropriate permissions. Copy the share link for use in the Azure Data Lake. Return to your Azure portal and open your Data Lake storage. In the Data Lake menu, select Data and find the container where you want to upload files. Click on the Upload button. Choose the option to upload files using the shareable link you copied from OneDrive. Paste the link into the Upload field and confirm the action. Monitor the upload progress in the Data Lake interface. Once the upload is complete, verify the files are correctly stored in the data lake. Test accessing the files to ensure they are functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.